In this video, we'll be solving a few questions on arithmetic of algebraic fractions. I'll be solving only a few questions. The rest of the questions can be done on your own, and the solutions will be provided at the end of the video. Let's solve the first question. We have 2 times x plus y over 3. We can multiply 2 directly into the numerator, as this can also be written as 2 over 1. And we just multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So we get 2 times x plus y over 3. Next, let's do question C. We have 2 over 3 times x plus y. Here, 2 over 3 is a fraction. X plus y is in the numerator, and we have 1 in the denominator. So we multiply the numerator with the numerator. We have 2 times x plus y over 3. And this is how we express the following expressions in a single fraction. Next, we have question 2. Let's do B. We have 1 over 7 times 3 times x plus 4. Here too, we can consider 3 times x plus 4 in the numerator, and we have 1 in the denominator. That gives us 3 times x plus 4, because 3 times 1. And we have 7 times 1, so that's 7. Next, question D, we have x over y times x plus 1 over y plus 1. So we just multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. That gives us x times x plus 1 over y times y plus 1. Next, we have question G. Q times I d square over 4. Over here, here 4 is in the denominator of the denominator. We can multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. So we get the following expression. 4 times pi d square over 4. And we can cancel 4 and 4. So we get pi d squared. Next, let's do question B. We have 3 over 4 over x minus 1. Again, let's multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. So we get 4 times 3 over 4 and 4 times x minus 1. 4 over 4 gives us 1, so that's 3 over 4 times x minus 1. The next question, we have x minus 1 over 3 over 4. We can multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. Four over 4 over here gives us 1, so that's 4 times x minus 1 over 3. Next, we have question 4. Here we have to divide two fractions. To divide these two fractions, we have to multiply this term with the reciprocal of the second term. So that is as so. 3 over x plus 2 times 2x plus 4 over x. We can rewrite that as like this. We can take 2 as a common factor from this 2x plus 4 term. So we have 3 times 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is present in both the numerator and denominator. That gives us 1. And our final answer will be 3 times 2, that's 6 over x. Again, for the fifth question, we do the same as question 4. We have 5 over 2x plus 1 divided by x over 3x minus 1. Here we multiply 5 over 2x plus 1 with the reciprocal of x over 3x minus 1. So that is 3x minus 1 over x. That gives us 5 times 3x minus 1 over x times 2x plus 1. Next, let's do question 6. We have b 2x over 5 plus x over 9. We have to find a common denominator. We can do cross multiplication and we get 9 times 2x plus 5 times x over 45. That gives us 18x plus 5x over 45. 18 plus 5 gives us 23x over 45. Next, we have question D. X over x plus 1 minus 2 over x plus 2. We can take a common denominator, and this is done with cross multiplication. So we have x times x plus 2 minus 2 times x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. We can open the brackets. We have x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. And that gives us x squared minus 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. Next, next to question G, we have x plus 3 over 2x plus 1 minus x over 3. Again, we find a common denominator by cross multiplication. We have 3 times x plus 3 minus x times 2x plus 1 over 3 times 2x plus 1. And we open the bracket to simplify the numerator. We have 3x plus 9 minus 2x squared minus x over 3 times 2x plus 1. We can rewrite this as 3x minus x, that is 2x, plus 9 minus 2x squared over 3 times 2x plus 1. Let's do question 7, B. 2 over x plus 3 plus 5 over x plus 1. We do the same thing as the previous questions. We have to find a common denominator. This is done by cross multiplication. So we have 2 times x plus 1 plus 5 times x plus 3 over x plus 1 times x plus 3. That gives us 2x plus 2 plus 5x plus 15. So that's x plus 1 times x plus 3. We can combine the like terms. So that's 2x plus 5x gives us 7x. And 15 plus 2 gives us 17 over x plus 1 times x plus 3. Let's do question E. We have x minus 1 over x minus 3 plus x minus 1 over x minus 3 the whole squared. Over here we have x minus 3 in the denominator. Here it's x minus 3 the whole squared. We can multiply the numerator and denominator of the first term with x minus 3 to get a common denominator. So we have x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus x minus 1 over x minus 3 the whole squared. We can open the bracket. We have x squared minus 3x minus x plus 3 plus x minus 1 over x minus 3 the whole square. We can combine the like terms. We have x squared minus 3x minus x is minus 4x plus x, that's minus 3x, plus 3 minus 1 is 2 over x minus 3 the whole square. For question number 8, we have 1 over 7 times s plus 11 over 21. We have to make this, we have to express this as a single fraction. Over here we have to make this a common denominator. 7 times 3 gives us 21. So we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 7 times 3 gives us 21, and this is 21, so it's a common denominator, and that is a single fraction required for this question. Question number 9 requires us to do the same. We have to express this as a single fraction. Here too, we can cross multiply to get a common denominator. So we have a times x plus 1 plus b times 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. For question 10, we have the following expression, and we have to reduce it to a single fraction. We can see in the second and third term that there's a common factor in the denominator. So let's start with that. We have a over 2x plus 5 plus b times. We can multiply the numerator and denominator with x minus 1 to get x minus 1 the whole squared. So we have x minus 1 plus c, and we have a common denominator with the second and third term. Now for the first and second term, we can do cross multiplication to get a common denominator, as there are no common factors within the denominator here. Plus b times x minus 1 plus c times 2x plus 5. We have 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 the whole square. We can expand the second term to get b times x minus 1 times 2x plus 5 plus c times 2x plus 5 over 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 square. And that's the answer. For the 11th question, we have a common factor in the denominator, and to get x plus 1 squared in the first term, we can just multiply the numerator and denominator with x plus 1, and that gives us a common denominator x plus 1 squared. For the next question, we have to express this as a single fraction. We can see there aren't any common factors in the denominator, so we just do cross multiplication to make a common denominator. So it can be written as follows. And this is how we express the following expression in a single fraction. Next question, we have the following expression. There aren't any common factors within the denominator. We can just multiply x plus 1 with the first and second term in order to make it a single fraction. And that gives us the answer. For this question, we have the following expression. We can begin by simplifying the denominator. We need a common denominator here, so we cross multiply as there are no common factors. So we have x2 minus x3 over x2 times x3. To simplify the denominator further, we can multiply the numerator and denominator with x2 times x3. So we have this will become 1. So we have x1 times x2 times x3 over x2 minus x3, which is our expression which we have to equate to, and that's our answer. Now for question 15, let's do B. We have 3x over 4 minus x over 5 plus x over 3. To simplify this, we can begin by simplifying this second term. So we have 3x over 4 minus, we can cross multiply as there are no common factors within the denominator. We have 3x plus 5x over 15. So that gives us 3x over 4 minus 8x over 15. Over here, again, there is no common denominator or common factor within the denominator. So we just cross multiply. We have 15 times 3x minus 8x times 4 over 15 times 4. This gives us 45x minus 8 times 4, 32x over 60, and that is 13x over 60, which is our final answer. Now let's do question 16. We have to simplify the given expression. We have 5x over 25x plus 10y. We can take out the common factor from the denominator. Here 5 is a common factor, so that's 5 times 5 gives us 25 plus 2y, 5 times 2 gives us 10. We have 5 over 5, which is 1, so that gives us x over 5x plus 2y. Next, we have x plus 2 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. We can factorize the denominator by splitting the middle term. Here, to split the middle term, we need a product and the sum. The product is given by multiplying the third term with the first coefficient of the first term. So we have product is 2, and our sum should equal 3, which is the coefficient of x. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2, and 1 plus 2 gives us 3. So we can split the middle term as follows. We can take out the common factor from the first and second term. So we have x times x plus 2 plus 1 times x plus 2. So that's x plus 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. We have x plus 2 over x plus 2. That gives us 1. So we have 1 over x plus 1 as our answer. The question number 18, we have to explain why cancellation is not possible, or why no cancellation is possible in the expression a plus 2b over a minus 2b. Over here, we can only cancel entire factors and not individual terms that are a part of a sum or a difference. So over here, a plus 2b, here a and 2b are two terms which are connected by a plus sign, and these two terms are connected by a minus sign, and they are not factors of each other. They're expressions made up of two terms connected by a plus or minus sign. And since there are no common factors between the numerator and denominator, we cannot cancel or simplify this further. Next, let's do question number 19. We have x plus 2 over x squared plus 9x plus 20 times x plus 5 over x plus 2. Over here, x plus 2 is a common factor in the numerator and denominator. So they can be cancelled as we'll get x plus 2 over x plus 2. So we have x plus 5 over x squared plus 9x plus 20. We can simplify the denominator further by splitting the middle term. Over here, we have the product as 20. and the sum as 9. The factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. 4 5s give us 20, and 4 plus 5 gives us 9. So we can split the middle term as x squared plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. We can take out the common term. We have x plus 4 plus 5 times x plus 4. And that gives us x plus 5 over x plus 4 times x plus 5. Again, we have x plus 5 over x plus 5, which gives us 1 over x plus 4, which is our final answer. You can do question 20 on your own. The solution will be given at the end of the video. Next, let's do question 21. We have 3 over x minus 4 minus 2 over x minus 4 squared. We have a common factor here. X minus 4 is a common factor. We can multiply x minus 4 to the numerator and denominator to get a common denominator. So by multiplying it to the first term, we get 3 times x minus 4 over x minus 4 the whole squared, which can be expanded or simplified as 3x minus 3 times 4, 12, minus 2 over x minus 4 squared, and we get 3x minus 14 over x minus 4 squared, which is our answer. Next, for question 22, we have to express this as a single fraction. We can begin by grouping the first 3 terms. As there's no denominator for the first and second term, we can multiply x into those terms. We get 2x times x minus x plus 4 over x plus 3 over 2x plus 1. That gives us 2x squared minus x plus 4 over x squared, over x plus 3 over 2x plus 1. Here there are no common factors in the denominator, so we cross multiply. So we have 2x squared minus x plus 4 times 2x plus 1 plus 3 times x over 2x plus 1 times x. So we can expand the brackets. We have 2x squared times 2x, so that's 4x cubed. 2x squared times 1, that's plus 2x squared, minus x times 2x, so that's minus 2x squared, minus x times 1, that's minus x, plus 4 times 2x is 8x, and plus 4 times 1 is plus 4, plus 3x over 2x plus 1 times x. So we have 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x squared gives us 0. Minus x plus 8x is 7x, and 7x plus 3x is 10x. We have plus 4 over, we can open the brackets in the denominator, so we get 2x squared plus x, which is our final answer. You can do question 23 and 24 on your own. Let's do question 25. We have to again express this as a single term or a single fraction by simplifying the first 2 terms into a single fraction. So we can cross multiply as there are no common factors within the denominator. We have minus 6 times s plus 2 minus 4 times s plus 3 over s plus 3 times s plus 2 plus 3 over s plus 1 plus 2. We can simplify this further. We get minus 6s minus 12 minus 4s minus 12 over s plus 3 times s plus 2 plus 3 over s plus 1 plus 2. We get minus 10 s minus 24 over s plus 3 times s plus 2 plus 3 over s plus 1 plus 2. Here we can cross multiply again as there are no common factors. So we get minus 10s minus 24 times s plus 1 plus 3 times s plus 3 times s plus 2 plus 2 over s plus 1 times s plus 2 times s plus 3. Here again we can cross multiply the denominator to 2 to get a common denominator, and we can simplify the brackets at the same time, or simplify the numerator at the same time. So we get minus 10s squared and minus 10s minus 24s minus 24 plus 3 times s squared plus 2s plus 3s plus 6 plus 2 times s plus 1 times s plus 2 times s plus 3. We can begin simplifying the denominator too. So we have, let's start with the first two brackets. So we have s squared plus 1s plus 2s, so that gives us 3s plus 2, and we have s plus 3. Over here, we can simplify minus 10x squared minus 34s minus 24 plus 3s squared plus this is 5, so that's 15s plus 18 plus 2 times s squared plus 3s plus 2 times s plus 3. And here we can further simplify the denominator. We have s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s squared plus 9s plus 2s plus 6. Here minus 10s squared plus 3s squared gives us minus 7s squared. We have minus 34s plus 15s, which gives us 19s. Minus 24 plus 18, which gives us minus 6, plus 2 times s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s squared plus 9s plus 2s plus 6 over here s cubed plus 6s squared plus 11s plus 6. Here minus 7s squared minus 19s minus 6 plus 2s cubed plus 6s squared, and that's 12s squared plus 11s, that's 22s plus 12 over s cubed plus 6s squared plus 11s plus 6, and that's 2s cubed. You have 12s squared minus 7s squared, so that's plus 5s squared. Here minus 19s plus 22s, that's plus 3s, and 12 minus 6, that's 6 over s cubed plus 6s squared plus 11s plus 6, which is our final answer. Next, you can do question 26 on your own, and the solution will be given at the end of the video.